Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on E1ULife. E1ULife is a company that's been around since 2016, and it was originally called EZ1UP. Well, now they have a new owner. They've completely rebranded the company, and they have better products now. And their compensation plan is even better than it was before. So let me show you exactly what E1ULife is. Okay, E1ULife is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. So basically, they are your personal web building team where they can custom build your own website, other types of landing pages, opt-in pages, custom email templates, your own custom logo, sales pages, etc. Okay, so all of these tools and these custom-made products are needed to establish an online presence for yourself, as like for a personal brand or for your business or organization. And they have an excellent affiliate marketing program. And if you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't really know what affiliate marketing is. It's basically where you sell another company's products and services and you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase using your specialized affiliate link. Okay, that's tagged to you. So that's basically what affiliate marketing is. Now, there's a lot of companies out there who have affiliate programs. There's tens of thousands of them online, and two of the biggest companies online on the internet have affiliate programs, and that's Walmart and Amazon. So let me show you what the commission rates are for Walmart, Amazon, and for E1ULife members. So at Walmart, you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products. Amazon, they call their affiliates Amazon Associates. You can earn up to 20% commissions on their products. But as an E1ULife member, you can earn starting at 80% commissions and up on the products that E1ULife provides. Okay, so that's a huge advantage when you become an E1ULife member, is that you're earning more in commissions than with Walmart and Amazon. Not only that, if you are an affiliate for Walmart or an Amazon associate for Amazon, you have to sell a lot of product in order to earn a decent income per month from those companies as an affiliate. Whereas with E1ULife, when you become a member of E1ULife, with the commission rate starting at 80%, you can earn up to $2,000 commissions per sale. So you only have to make just a couple of sales in order to have a decent income coming in addition to your job or to go full-time in business. Okay, so here are the different web package levels, and I'll show you exactly what you're going to get at each web package level in a minute. But let me show you the commissions that you can earn from these packages. The lowest package is called Elevation Basic, and you can earn a $25 commission. Elevation Elite, $100, Vertex, $250, Vertex Elite, $500, Vertex Pro, $1,000, and Vertex Live, you can earn a $2,000 commission. And there are several, well, more than several, but many E1ULife members who sell this Vertex Live package over and over again to customers, and they're earning $2,000 commissions every single time. Okay, so let me scroll on down here. Okay, and this is what you can receive and what your customers can receive when they get their custom-made products. They can get built for you websites, landing pages, and opt-in pages for your business or organization or to brand yourself. A multi-page funnel that will help you to turn your leads into customers. Custom email templates to help you stand out in the inbox of your potential customers, because people are getting emails from a variety of people every day, all day long. So in order to help you stand out from the rest, you can get these custom designed email templates to establish your brand. Custom logos. You can have a logo created for your brand, for your personal brand, or for your business or organization. I just had a custom logo created by the E1ULife team last week for my personal brand. Okay, so you can request, there's a form that you fill out to request your custom logo. You tell them how you would like it to look like, what kind of colors you want, the style, and then they'll create a couple of mock-ups of it, and then you can choose from one or the other, or you can send it back for adjustments, like if you want something else done to it, whatever. And then once you have your created custom logo, it'll be in your back office ready for you to download. Okay, so they can also create custom social media images that you can use on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And they have 24/7 customer support. So if you need any help from their team, just send them a message, and any one of their representatives will be ready and happy to help you. Okay, and I have used their customer support team several times, and they always got back to me in a timely manner and answered all of my questions. Okay, so here are the 6 web packages and the prices. Okay, let's start from the lower ones, the lower priced ones. The first one is called Elevation Basic, and these are all one-time payments, so you're not paying monthly payments for these. So Elevation Basic is a one-time payment of $30, and what you get in this package are the custom opt-in pages. Okay, Elevation Elite is $110. You get the opt-in pages and the social media pack. Those are those custom social media images that they'll create for you to use on social media. And then there's Vertex, which is $275. You get the opt-in pages, social media pack, and the email templates. Moving up, Vertex Elite is $550. In addition to the opt-in pages, social media pack, and email templates, you get your own custom designed logo. Okay, and for Vertex Pro, it's $1,100 one-time payment. You get everything here: the opt-in pages, social media pack, email templates, the custom logo, and a multi-page funnel, okay, to help you convert your leads into sales. And the most popular package is Vertex Live for $2,500. And the reason that this package is the most popular one is because with Vertex Live, you get all of the customized work that's in all of these other packages, along with a built-for-you website. Okay, now if you go online and do a search on how much a built-for-you website will cost to have it professionally done, it can range from $5,000 to $10,000 or more to have a built-for-you website. So that's why this package, Vertex Live, is the most popular package. It is the most cost-effective package because not only are you getting the built-for-you website for $2,500, but you're also getting all of the other products, all of the other custom products for just $2,500 one-time purchase. So even though this is the most popular package, if you cannot afford to get the Vertex Live package, you can always get one of the lower packages, and at a later time you can get Vertex Live so you can get your own built-for-you website. Okay, it all depends on your budget and your business needs. If you don't need a built-for-you website right now, you don't have to get this package. You can get one of the lower packages. If your budget is tight right now, you can come in at the $275 or $110. Okay, so that's basically how that works with those packages. There's lots of other stuff that comes with E1ULife that I haven't discussed in this video. I didn't want to make this video too long. I do have other videos on my channel that go into more detail about their marketing system, which is called E1U Marketing Pro. You can check out those videos by going to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos about E1ULife and about affiliate marketing in general. Make sure you click on the bell icon in case you want to receive notifications for when I upload a new video. If you like the content in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up or a like on this video. It will really help with the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you want to get more information, especially about the compensation plan, I just told you one part of the compensation plan, but there's another component to it. What you want to do is click the very first link below this video in the description area, put in your first name and email address. You're going to go to a similar page like this, but not the exact page. The page you're going to is this one, okay? And the reason you're going to this one is because there's a 6-minute video that goes into more detail about the compensation plan, okay? So you can watch that video, and after you watch it, if you decide that this is something that you would like to do to get involved with, just click on the Get Started button, and it will take you to a form to fill out so you can create your free account. After you create your free account, then you're going to be taken to a page where you select which web package you want to purchase, okay? So once you purchase that package, you'll get instant access to your back office, the dashboard and everything. And you don't have to worry about how to get started because everything is right there for you. There's an area that is for new users called the Virtual Training Center. Just go to the Virtual Training Center and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do in order to get started in the right way, on the right foot, so you can have success in your new affiliate marketing business. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on E1ULife, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.